We're at Fort Park, Six Flags Mexico, Chessington, Valley, Holland, Land of Legends, Alton Towers, and many more.
If you like roller coasters, theme parks, water parks, or adventure content, then you are in the right place.
We post weekly videos and lots of shorts to keep you updated with our latest adventures.
Don't forget to check out our feature playlist to find exactly what you're looking for.
Water slides, front row POVs, on-ride videos, adventure tourism, theme park reviews, and much more.
So what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and join us for the ride!